All right, here we go. We're going to film Wilson's surgery.
All right, so I tried sewing it. It didn't. It failed. So if you're homeless or you're poor or you live in the hood, you should always have one of these. They come in handy. And if you open it, you know you got your thread, you some buttons in case your pants break. You got your zippers. You got some sewing needles. You got some pins. You got some of these things. Well, since I tried sewing it, it failed. So I'm gonna try cauterizing it with a pair of scissors. And a lighter.
By the way, this thread is not pink or red. That's actually his blood from putting it through his hand.
And you always have to have a drink on you at all times. So this
preferably Wawa peach iced tea.
So you don't want to get blood all over the place. So we're going to take this napkin and we're going to lay it down, you know, so it doesn't bleed at all. So you take your thing. Obviously, I was doing it earlier. And you got your lighter. You sit here and you light it. You get it nice and hot. It's going to hurt. Now, I don't know if bums do this because they can't afford stuff like this, but obviously it's black, so you know it's going to be hot. So we're going to do this. Ready? Right now, it's fucking burning really, really hot. I can feel the pain, and it's yeah. You can see I definitely kind of did it in a way because it is black, but
he burnt his cut.
But it's not done yet because you can still see it's kind of wet. So let's try this. We're going to burn it a little bit more. You know.
Are you going to sew it?
No, I tried sewing it, but the one side of it is kind of thicker than the other side. So actually I'll be stabbing into myself. We're not going to do that. We're just going to burn it. It hurts. Really bad. I'm even applying pressure on it, you know, to push it down. And it looks like that's not working either because some of the cut is actually, well, it is in a way you look, but you got the inside of it
oozing and shit.
Yeah, it's pretty dry, you know, it's hard, but we gotta have to get inside there, you know, and all. So let's keep going. There we go.
Yeah, you hear it. Oh, I heard it. Sounded like you were like crunching into a fucking potato chip or something.
Well, it's somewhat working. It's going to take a while. But if you look closer, you know, you can tell, see? Like, you know, we can get close as we can to it. It looks pretty disgusting, does it? Yeah. I don't know, but we'll let you know again when we finish doing it. But this time, we're going to let you guys go.
Mike Wilson is the best surgeon ever. So if you get shot, all right, get an arm chopped off, you go to Mike Wilson.
Yes, they call me Dr. Wilson. And this is how we perform surgery in the hood. Nice to meet you guys, and hopefully we'll see this video later.
Mr. Rogers out.